Meaning of the English idiom, throw in the towel. The English phrase to throw in the towel means to quit or give up, admitting defeat. An earlier version of this idiom was throw in the sponge.
We are not going to throw in the towel.
A related idiom with an almost opposite meaning is throw your hat in the ring or toss your hat in the ring. To throw one's hat into the ring means to announce one's intention of joining a contest or political race. Examples of use. He had applied to 10 colleges and was not accepted to any. He was ready to throw in the towel when one of his top choices accepted him. The manager was afraid his fighter was going to be seriously injured, so he threw in the towel. I'm not going to throw in the towel yet. I still think I can succeed at this. Is it time for movie theaters to throw in the towel? With the convenience of streaming, video rental is all but extinct. Are movie theaters next? Please don't throw in the towel now. We've come so far. Origin of idiom throw in the towel. This idiom derives from the earliest days of boxing when fighters fought bare-knuckled, without gloves, and a sponge was used to mop away sweat or blood from the boxer's face. When it seemed defeat was certain or a fighter was so bloody that he could not continue to fight, his manager or trainer would throw the sponge into the ring to signal that he wanted to stop the fight. Later, when towels came to be used, the towels would be thrown into the ring for the same purpose. The expression has long since passed into general use to mean giving up or quitting in defeat.